Hey Richard, my name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to bring more customers into your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this? What's in it for me? The answer is oftentimes in the world of internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hire someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business, obviously for free, has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Alex. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take a free action plan that I give to you and do it for yourself, that works for me too. I just ask that you give me a little feedback on my video. If at the end of this video you don't get anything from it, that's going to be a big problem. That's not going to happen, Richard. So let me just show you these 3 things that will set your company above the competition. Don't have to waste any more of your time or mine. Those 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing, content. So right here, I like the content, I like the pictures. You obviously do beautiful work. Some things that I'd like to see up here are a phone number and also the contact form. I did notice that you have the contact form down here. That contact form is huge, but it being right in this area would be huge as well. I actually put your website into this web page word counter. See that you have 409 words on that home page. These are some of the key words that you are ranking for. As you can see, some of them are not exactly relevant with what you want to be ranking for with what people are searching on Google. And also Google does want to see at least 1,500 words on that home page to put you up top, and then about 500 words on those back pages, which is totally doable. We can build out that content for you. You can do it yourself either way. I looked up one of your top competitors. Actually, when I just looked up site in Grand Junction, I looked up log site in Grand Junction, and look at you. Look at you. You are doing great in log site in Grand Junction, but I believe that we can get you a lot more customers if you are in this site in Grand Junction. This is the map pack. This is actually where I found you. Down here, obviously you're quite a bit down, not on the first page, and people don't really go past the first page of Google. I don't know about you, but I usually don't go past this first page of Google, either in this map pack or in these organic listings right here. I don't go past that point most of the time, and the data says that most people don't. So next we're going to talk about citations. This is a huge thing that can get you ranked in that map pack, and that map pack again is this section of Google, the one with the map, and then these listings right here. It's right before the organic listings. And how you get ranked with that is the amount of times that your website is your website's name, address, and phone number, your company's NAPs, as we call it, the name, address, and phone numbers, is listed on Google. And it looks like you have that listed 171 times across different directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, City Star, and even on Facebook they have an option for that. And obviously that is what is putting you at the top of log site in Grand Junction. And this Freedom Replace. Here's their website right here. Not as good as yours, you see. Freedom Replace was the #1 siding Grand Junction company when we searched on there. They have, right here, they have 36 referring domains, which is way less than you. Obviously yours, so these referring domains, these citations are kind of based on what sites are pointing back to you, and you have more sites pointing back to you on log siding Grand Junction because that's your niche. But in siding Grand Junction, which you could get customers from, you are not ranking as high because you don't have as relevant backlinks to rank in that category, which we can build those backlinks for you. The thing we do, we go in here, we check out all of these referring domains, and like I said, these are all just directories that you put your name, address, and phone number in, and they point towards you, telling Google that you are the authority in this niche of the market. So we just go in all of these, fill out your information, and then they put that on their website. That points back to you and gets you in this map pack, gets you #1. And they already have way less than you. You are going to be able to outrank them so quickly. They've got 36. You've got 171. Not all of these are as relevant to Grand Junction siding, and we can make more relevant ones to Grand Junction siding to rank you higher. The next thing that we use is these backlinks. We'll check out those pages for you and your top competition on Grand Junction siding. Looks like you have a ton again, and this again is a huge thing. Looks like they've got 94. Yours may not be as relevant again to this siding Grand Junction. And this is what ranks you in the organic listings. These listings under the map pack, like ABC Supply, looks like they are all over the U.S. Better Business Bureau. Just these are lists of businesses, but people want relationships. People want to know that you are in Grand Junction, you know the business, you know the area, and they want to see your face, your name, and a local business to support in their area. So as you can see, you're not ranking, and they are, with 94 compared to your 1,131 backlinks. They're ranking above you in siding Grand Junction, and that is because they have relevant backlinks. Because not all backlinks are created equal. The backlinks you obtain work a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have a siding Grand Junction site linking back to you, I know that's a very base level site that I'm putting out there, but that would be way more effective than like a Pizza Hut or some of these other pages like Loma, Mac, Palisade. Oh gosh, free baby coupon. That is way less relevant to your business. Free baby coupons is way less relevant to your business than some of the other things that you are listing for. And the great thing about that is that we can just go in here, go to constructions info. We can put in your information. It could link back to you. It can tell Google that you are the authority on this topic. So in closing, we went over the content that you need at least 1,500 words for Google to say you're the one. Probably 2,000 in these days. Citations. We want to build relevant citations in those backlinks. We want to build relevant backlinks to really build you up in this market and to build you up on Google to rank for the things that people are searching, so they will find you instead of freedomreplace.com. So Richard, what now? You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. Totally cool with that. I just asked for a little feedback on my video. If not, no harm, no foul, Richard. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save your time and you want to give me a call at 303-625-3623. My name is Alex. Once again, my number is 303-625-3623. Look forward to hearing you. Have a great one.